today, we doing another real easy recipe, y'all. I'm doing my shrimp and noodles with fish, okay? And our fish of choice today is grouper, y'all. Definitely got to try this fish if you've never had grouper, man. Real good, nice flavor, you know what I mean? And it has that kind of texture like when you, the way we, because we're going to sous vide it, and it has that kind of texture, even when you bake it like crab or lobster, like, you know what I mean? Nice, y'all. You feel me? Now, some local markets usually don't have grouper, so you might have to go to your fishmonger, you know, somewhere where you get your seafood from, but definitely got to get the grouper, y'all. You feel me? And we're going to make my shrimp and noodles, y'all. Alright? And my shrimp and noodles, we're going to do some. We're not going to use no regular pasta. We're going to go ahead and use the sweet potato noodles and the zucchini noodles, y'all. That's right, man. If y'all seen my other video, I did a sweet potato noodles and chicken. Banging. This one right here, we're doing it with fish. Plus, we're going to add a little twist on it with the zucchini noodles. Alright? So let's get into it. Let's do it! Okay, y'all, so the first thing you want to do is you want to clean your fish off. I done cleaned mine off, ready to go. Look at that, y'all. Nice. Alright, and basically we're going to put a little bit of seasoning on here, okay, and get it in a sous vide bag. Alright, so let me get my bags out. Let's get this thing popping. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I got my grouper up in the vacuum seal bags. Got the lemon, salt, and pepper, a little bit of olive oil, ready to go. We're ready, y'all. Alright, so I got my sous vide cooker going right now, set at 135. We're going to drop these in to the water bath for about 35 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes, y'all. 135 temp. Alright, so let's get it in, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, so now that I got the grouper up in the sous vide, ready to go, 35 minutes, we're going to go ahead and get our noodles ready, alright? So y'all already can see, I'm using my zucchini spirals, ready to go. Got my sweet potato spirals ready to go. We got some shallots here, we got some peppers, some garlic, we got our shrimp, or colossal shrimp, that's all I like to use. We got some mushrooms. Let's go, man. We got our heirloom tomato. We about to get these noodles popping, y'all. All right. So we got everything set up. Let's get the pan out. Keep it moving. Let's do it. So next thing I did was I went ahead and cut up my heirloom tomato. All right. Now let's break out the pan. Boom. Here we go, y'all. We got the pan nice and hot. All right. Let's go ahead and get our shallots up in there, y'all. I got it on a medium high, real smooth. Going to stir these up for 30 seconds. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and drop on my garlic. Alright, now that I got my garlic up in there, we're going to do this for another few seconds. As you can see, like my garlic immediately starts to turn color. So that's because I got the pan nice and hot, y'all. So we good to go. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and drop in my peppers. Got my aloha peppers. You can use whatever kind of bell peppers you like. Yeah, y'all, it's coming along. Next, I'm going to go ahead and dump in my tomatoes, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Alright, now go ahead and stir that up for about a minute. Alright, y'all, so next I'm going to go ahead and drop in some of my zucchini noodles, my zucchini spirals. And also my sweet potato spirals, y'all. That's good. And we just want to go ahead and stir this up and mix it up until it's like al dente, like we don't want it to get soggy, so you can't overcook your noodles, y'all. Alright? Maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. When we get to that last minute, we're going to go ahead and dump our mushrooms in there, y'all. Alright. Okay, so we're about 2 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and dump my mushrooms in, y'all. For that last minute with my noodles, y'all. Alright. Get this all incorporated. Doing this thing, y'all. Alright. So we're going to get it incorporated. We good to go, y'all. Okay, so now next I'm going to add some salt. Alright, get some salt up in there. And next, I want to go ahead and get some pepper up in there, y'all. Get that pepper up in there. Alright, get this all mixed up. There we go, y'all. Got our noodles done up in a bowl. Alright, and as you can see, I gave my pan a nice good clean. Let's get this heated back up. Get our shrimp popping, y'all. Alright, our grouper in the water bath is just about done. Alright, here we go. Got our shrimp up in the pan. Gonna add some Old Bay seasoning. And we're just gonna grill our shrimp real quick. Couple minutes on each side, y'all. Alright, y'all, did my first flip on the shrimp. Alright, couple minutes on this side. We're going to finish it, then we're going to get to our fish, man. Our grouper should be ready to go. To come up out the water bath. Yo, that's how we doing it, y'all. Freestyle Cooking with Streets. We doing it big, yo. Let's go. Alright, got my shrimp up out the pan. Let's set this to the side. Let's get our fish ready, y'all. Alright, got the fish up out the water bath, as y'all can see. Now we got to cut the bags open, y'all. Get our pan out. Get a nice sear on these things, y'all. And we right to the plate up. Let's do it. Look at that, y'all. Got our grouper out the bags. Ready to go. Yeah, you see some of them started to break off a little bit because it's real tender. Like we got it right where we want with the temp. We're going to get a nice little bit of sear on it. A little bit of color on it before we get it plated on up, y'all. Alright. So let's do it. Well, got my cast iron out. We already about to get this thing heated on up. Let's go. Let's do it, man. Got my high heat oil. And I put high heat on my bottle because I use avocado. I use sunflower. Look, just as long as you got a high heat point oil, you're good to go. Maybe about a couple tablespoons. Let's go. Alright, now that my pan is nice and hot, let's get our fish up in there, y'all. Oh yeah, get our grouper up in there, y'all. I'm gonna get a nice sear on this. Ooh. And I want to go ahead and sear it, give it a nice little flow. 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Alright, so it's on this side. We're gonna go 3 minutes on this side, 3-4 minutes. Give it a flip. Alright, y'all. Got my grouper up on the plate. As you can see, some of the pieces broke down, but we got that nice color. We got that nice sear marks on there. Let's get this thing plated on up, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, man. Here we go, man. Real easy, real simple. Plated on up, y'all. Tried to get to this real fast for y'all. We got our grouper on top of our noodles. We got our shrimp. I garnished it with some parsley, some flat parsley. Feel me? Do a little of that aioli dressing on there, you know, like I like to keep on hand. But you can use any sauce you like or no sauce. Alright, y'all? That's what I'm talking about. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so I can stay up to date with all the latest videos. And let me know what y'all think, man. Comment. Let me know if y'all tried it. Y'all know. Come on, man. Get at me. And y'all know how I do. Holla.